Can't hear those epic Fortnite beats on your PC due to the sound not working? What's up gamers, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix the no sound issue in Fortnite. So without further ado, let's dive right into the solutions. Solution 1. Restart the Windows audio service. To do this, click the search icon here and type in CMD. Then right-click on the command prompt from the search result and select Run as Administrator. Next, click on Yes to give permission. After that, type in Net Stop Audio RSV and press Enter. After that, type in Net Start Audio RSV and hit Enter. Don't worry, you can copy these commands from the video description. Now launch the game and check if you can hear anything in the game. Solution 2. Change in-game audio settings. For this, first launch the game. Then click on the profile icon and then on the settings icon. Next, click on Settings from this menu. Now switch to the Audio tab. Then from the Volume section, increase the volume of Main, Music, Sound Effects, Dialogue, Voice Chat, Cinematics, Picture-in-Picture. Then scroll down to the Sound section. Now click on these arrows next to the audio output device and select the device you want to hear your audio from. Lastly, click on Apply and check if the audio is working or not. Solution 3. If you still can't hear anything, change the Windows audio settings. To do this, open up Settings, then click on System, and then on Sound. Now from the Output section, select the device you want to hear sound from. Then increase the volume from here, and check if that fixed the issue. Solution 4. If not, try updating your audio driver. To do this, first search for Device Manager and open it. Then click on the little arrow icon next to the audio inputs and outputs to expand it. Now right-click on your audio device and select Update Driver. Next, click on Search automatically for drivers. Now it'll look for and install any new audio drivers if they're available. If there are no updates available, you'll see this message. Just hit Close. After that, reboot your computer. Now you should be able to hear in-game sounds in Fortnite. So there you have it, the secret sauce to fixing Fortnite's no audio issue on your PC. Smash that like button if the video did the trick for you. Got any questions? Drop a comment below and I'll hit you up ASAP. Thanks a bunch for tuning in.